Hey everyone, Chrisy Etheridge here. So we're going to talk about how to enroll someone. This can be used either on the computer or on your mobile phone. It doesn't matter. Either way is possible. I'm going to show you how to do it on the computer, and you can just modify it based on the mobile application that you're using. So we're going to go to share screen so I can show you the back office. So this is just www.doTERRA.com. You will go to login, and my information is already saved, so I'm going to log in. Now, when you go, you click this tab again, and it's going to open up account profile, my orders, my back office, enroll new member. That's what we're looking for. So you click this button to enroll a new member, and it's going to direct you to a new site, so you want to go ahead and hit OK. You'll pick the United States region, if that's what you're doing specifically, or the region that you're in, the language that you prefer, either English or Spanish, and hit continue. Now this is where you, what I typically do is I just let whoever is enrolling, because I typically have my laptop with me when I do classes, I will just let them enter in their own information, and if they need help getting through this, then I'll be available. But it's pretty simple. They'll enter their information, their address. They're going to create a password that they need to remember. Because just like you do when you log in, you use your ID number to log in, but you have your own personal password. So they're going to have to create their own password. They're going to have to click account type. So either one, doTERRA Wellness Advocate or Wholesale Customer, gets them the 25% off, annual account, and that's what most people are doing. So they would pick Wellness Advocate if they have any interest whatsoever in enrolling someone else, like they already know that's what they're doing. Or they've got in the back of their mind, hey, I want to share this with other people, and I'm just going to go ahead and input this information. And you want to talk to them about this when they're enrolling and explain the differences between the two. A lot of people are just going to say, I just want to be a wholesale customer for now, and that's fine. They can upgrade to a wellness advocate when they're ready, and there's another video on how to do that. But you want to explain both differences. And usually what I just say is, you need to pick which account type you would like. Both give you the exact same benefit of 25% off retail. You can earn loyalty reward points by participating in the monthly order. And if you're interested in sharing this with other people and you want to go ahead and start as a wellness advocate, click this button right here. It will ask for your social security number, your tax ID. So in case you do start earning large checks with doTERRA, they know where to send your 1099 to. If you're not interested in that, go ahead and just pick wholesale customer. But either way, they need to pick which option, and then they need to click this box to acknowledge that they agree to the terms and condition of the customer, and they can click it open to read it if they want. Now, if you have gone in through your back office and you've logged in first, your information is automatically going to pop up just like mine does. If you happen to be at a site where you didn't log in first, then this information is going to have to be put in, and this is what it's going to look like. So they're going to have to pick distributor ID number, and then whatever your wellness advocate number is, and then find my referrer, and then your information should pop up however you've inputted in your back office. Now, that reminds me, in order for you to enroll someone else, you actually have to be a wellness advocate first, okay? You cannot enroll someone under you if you are a wholesale customer. So if you are starting to enroll people, or you have that forward thinking that you know it's about to start happening, you need to upgrade to a wellness advocate by putting in your social security number or your tax ID first. That way, when you enroll someone, you automatically have this information pop up. So once they get through that, we're going to select this, and then we're going to hit continue. Now, when we hit continue, and all this information needs to be verified, it's a pretty smart program. It's going to make sure that the address is linked to a USPS legitimate address, that the phone number is working, that the email is working. So I can't create a dummy account for this purpose, but once you click through continue, at this point, the next part of the website, it's going to pick which enrollment kit they want to start out with, whether or not it's the $35 wholesale account or if it's an enrollment kit. And there is a tab through section that they can go through all the enrollment kits. You want to make sure that when you're helping someone enroll, that clearly they pick the English if that's what their preferred language is, but there are several kits in different languages, so you want to make sure that they choose the English one if that's what they prefer. And then there is, just like if you had your cart open, they would be able to add on anything in the line underneath the enrollment kit option in their cart. So just help them through this process. It's super easy to enroll someone. Once the enrollment goes through, you know, they're going to put their payment information in, and then everybody's going to get an email that it was confirmed almost immediately. If you don't get an email that someone has enrolled under you, then something went wrong with the pairing of your information with theirs. It's not that big of a deal to call customer service. If that does happen, 1-800-411-8151. But you know, just know that you both will receive an email instantly. They're going to get welcome to doTERRA email, and you're going to get great thanks for enrolling a new member. So, all right, that's it. Stay tuned for the next video. I hope you guys are learning a lot. Bye.